All right, let's get to some stocks that you might want to be able to dabble in and mess around with today. RIM finally coming back to life, up almost 6% on Tuesday. No one's really talking about it. Well, how would you trade this?
Well, when nobody wants it, that's when you have to own it. That's just sort of the way this business works. We saw, if we look at, again, the big picture in RIM, not a healthy stock, not a good story. A lot of scared money here. We saw just an outflow. From the beginning of the year, the stock basically, lost a lot of its market cap, going from 70 down to 20. As of late, as of the last couple of weeks, we've seen a little bit of a bottom develop here in the low 20s, and we've seen a nice rally up to the 32. Now, I wouldn't go chasing, as percentage-wise. This is a big move into an area of potential resistance up here. If we just look at our prior, having some chart problems here. Our it's into resistance. I would be a buyer of RIM on a pullback into the 26, 27 area.
All right, speeding along, MasterCard and Visa, non-bank banks, you were anti-banks yesterday. Would these make a better play? A little less risky?
Credit cards look good. They haven't broken out, which is a little surprising given the market's been strong the last 5-6 days. So it does create a little bit of a, maybe not situation, but technically these never really broke down, and they're just a stone's throw off of.
But are they consolidating kind of? Maybe they are to make another leg higher?
Yeah, they're definitely consolidating. It looks like they want to make a leg higher. I would keep a very watchful eye on the two big ones, Visa and MasterCard.
All right, Priceline has been making a big move since last Monday. What do?
You watch and you say,
big move, understatement.
Wow, this is a wow trade. 440 to 540 in 6 trading sessions. It's a 22% move in just over a week. That's the trade where you just say, wow. It is at an area of prior resistance here. You need to be hands off with Priceline. This is a high-risk play, and it does have room for a pullback. You might want to look to buy some Priceline if it can pull back to the low 500 area.
All right, rounding out with Exxon, we saw them make this deal with Rosneft, the Russian oil-based company, state-owned company. The stock didn't really do much. It was actually down, almost 0.3% yesterday. Is this kind of, the good news hasn't been baked in yet, or is this not a real game changer? I mean, they're paying up about $3.2 billion, but it's only going to count for about 1% of its entire exploration development arena. What do you think?
Well, I think we have to listen to what the market's telling us. And the market basically told us yesterday it's a non-event. No real impact, no real enthusiasm from the crowd to take it higher or take it lower. I don't like this pattern. This is very, bearish looking in nature, big sell-off. Not much of a snapback, no real enthusiasm to see higher prices here. I would either, look for a potential shorting opportunity in the near future or just stay away.
All right, so we have a lot of cautionary tales today. Yeah. I think that is how we can round out the day.